So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is create out artifacts as well inside of Qwen. So in order to go ahead and create out artifacts, over here you can see that artifacts is an option right here that you can click. Once you do that, you can actually go ahead and tell it to create contents. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and say, create a greeting card for Christmas right here, just like this. So now let me just go ahead and correct this, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit send, and then what happens is that it'll actually use HTML and CSS to create artifacts or graphics or whatever you want right here. So you can see that it is using HTML and CSS as I mentioned artifact, and over here on the right hand side you can even see the preview right here as well. So you can see that you can go ahead and see this in full screen as well. So you can go ahead and copy this out as well, just like this, as you can see, so that you can go ahead and paste this code out, as you can see right here. So artifact basically produces HTML code, as you can see right here, to create contents. You can even tell it to make an interactive app or even a page and so forth, just like this, and see a real-time preview just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can generate out artifacts inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.